Welcome to Andro Indian. Today, we're exploring why delivering projects on time and budget simply isn't enough anymore. I'm your host, and today we're shifting our focus toward value-driven project management and sustainability thinking. Modern leadership requires a shift from being delivery-focused to being value-driven, but what does that actually mean? It starts with focusing on real business value, ensuring every project contributes to the organization's strategic goals. We must move beyond outputs, like code or reports, and focus on outcomes, like customer satisfaction or revenue growth. Next, we have sustainability thinking. ESG is no longer optional, it's a core driver of project success. In the Indian context, sustainability impacts everything from resource allocation to long-term community value. To make better project decisions, we need frameworks that prioritize strategic alignment over quick fixes. Is your project aligned with the value delivery system? If not, it's time to re-evaluate its purpose. Using frameworks like PMP and value engineering helps us ensure that governance and accountability stay front and center. This mindset is essential for modern project leaders, PMO heads, and executives who want to leave a lasting impact. Take major infrastructure projects in cities like Mumbai. Success here is measured by years of utility, not just months of construction. Technology and AI are now integral to this process, helping us predict risks and optimize for value. Agile methodologies allow us to pivot quickly, ensuring that our sustainability goals stay relevant as the project evolves. From logistics to software development, value is created when we deliver systems that are both efficient and sustainable. At Andro Indian, we believe that professional excellence is built on strategic alignment and a commitment to quality. By adopting these principles, you're not just managing a project, you're future-proofing your organization. To recap, focus on real business outcomes, integrate sustainability into your core, and align every decision with strategy. This is how we shift from delivery-focused management to true value-driven leadership. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your PMO colleagues. For more in-depth guides on project management and technology, visit us at androindian.com. Thanks for watching. I'm looking forward to seeing how you apply these value-driven strategies in your next project. Catch you in the next one. Stay curious.